Welcome back. Pradesh Congress has taken Panji by-poll very seriously. GPCC President Luciano Falero has warned strict action against dissidents and anti-party workers within Congress for Panji by-poll. Each party worker and leader will have to back Surendra Fatado. Revolt of any nature would not be tolerated. Luciano Falero was speaking on the occasion of 130th anniversary of the party. Only MLA who witnessed the function was Pandurang Madkaikar.
Congress observed 130th anniversary of its existence. Pradesh Congress held a function at Congress House. GPCC President Luciano Falero's speech mainly focused on the upcoming Panji by-poll.
Party is supreme. MLAs are under the party and they should know that once the party takes a decision, it is a final decision.
Are they going to support if they work against your MLA?
What you are going to do tomorrow, I cannot say. But I can say this is the party's policy and program.
If they not follow your party policy and program, then you are going to take any action?
Definitely we will take action. If earlier there was no action, in future you will see action.
Veteran Congress leaders were felicitated on the occasion. BJP-led government is anti-minority. Luciano said Congress will give a befitting reply to the party in power. From the present lot of Congress MLAs, only Pandurang Madkaikar witnessed the ceremony. Rest all were former MLAs or the defeated candidates of assembly poll and the party workers. Surendra Furtado had earlier charged CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodriguez of indulging in dirty politics over garbage issue. GPCC spokesperson Durgadas Kamath says CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodriguez should enroll himself as BJP member and join the anti-Congress political brigade.
कमिशनर पोस्टर बसून राजकारण करपाचें ताका सोबना आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी म्हणून आमी ओगे रावचे नात. मेयर आमचो आसा. इफ यू आर ट्रायंग टू प्ले अ गेम dirty politics in keeping mind with the by elections, we are not going to keep quiet. Sanjit Rodriguez should either resign from the job and join BJP directly rather than acting as an agent of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Bureau Report Prudent.
AirAsia flight with 155 passengers and 6 crew members has gone missing. The flight had taken off from Indonesian airport and was heading towards Singapore on Sunday. The pilot lost his contact with the ground control. Currently, search operations are on. As per reports, the weather in the area was very bad from past 2 days. AirAsia had its maiden flight to Goa from Bangalore on 12 June.
AirAsia Indonesia flight went missing on Sunday. The plane carried 155 passengers with 6 crew members on board. The area had bad weather from past 2 days. There was 1 Singaporean passenger, 1 from United Kingdom, 1 Malaysian, 3 Korean and 149 Indonesian passengers. The pilot lost his control with Jakarta ATC at about 7:55 AM on Sunday. The pilot had anticipated cloudy situation and had asked for an unusual route. The plane was above the Java Sea when the pilot lost contact with the ground officials. Air India has set up an emergency line for family or friends of those who may be on board. The number is 622-129-850-801. AirAsia had its maiden flight to Goa from Bangalore on 12th June. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.